mi, o ṣeun, o ṣeun, o ṣeun, o ṣeun, Ọlọ́run ọba mi, o ṣeun, o ṣeun.
Odunlade has been accused of being the father to fast-rising actress, Bukola Adeeyo's child. Their relationship, which she described as a work relationship, has been said to be more. Odunlade is, however, yet to disperse the rumor, but Bukola has finally shared her truth on her Instagram page. Actress Bukola, who recently gave birth to her daughter in London, has had a good time playing mother role until rumors about the identity of the father started spreading. To clear the air, she released a statement on her Instagram page about the issue. In her post, the actress thanked her fans for all their love and support and went forward to make her case concerning the paternal identity of her child. According to her words, she said, "Good evening, world. I hope everyone is doing well this season. To my fans home and abroad, I appreciate you all for your love and support. May the Almighty God bless you in all ways. There is the saying that says a wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. Bukola Adeeyo wants to seize the opportunity to clear the doubts and rumors that has being spread around the world, that Mr. Odunlade Adekola is the father of my baby. Hell no. Mr. Odunlade Adekola is my boss in the movie industry, nothing of such ever came up between us. The intimacy between us is that of a boss and worker and not that of a husband and wife. I won't indulge myself into paternity fraud or paternal discrepancy for any reason. The truth of the matter is that he isn't the father of my baby. I am not too young to have a baby, and I see nothing wrong in not disclosing my husband's identity. I keep the reason to myself alone. I do not want to share this at first, but the rate at which the rumor is being spread promoted me to voice out and make it clear to the world that Mr. Odunlade Adekola is not the father of my baby. Thanks, God bless. So what do you think?
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bukola TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us, we're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bukola TV. You see there, we are always there, we are everywhere. Importantly, don't forget, just subscribe. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bukola TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.